Look. Back to my channel again. This is Rinty's Plate. I am going to make 3 fruit smoothie with my coconut milk. Nothing else. 3 fruit with my coconut milk smoothie. All right, I'm going to clean up all my stuff and put them together. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and my 3 fruit that come. The 3 fruit smoothie. Okay, already washed them already. Don't want no more than 1. Because I'm making smoothie, I'm gonna peel or take this. And easy will peel off the skin. There is a seed in the middle. Okay? And I got seed. And I remove this seed here. This is a nice mango. Okay. Okay, I already cleaned up my stuff. I'm going to put the milk in first. It's coconut milk. I think I have too much here. All right. I think this is done. Wow. So this is my 3 fruit smoothie. See it? Oh my gosh, it's rich and nice. Look. Nice. Okay, so this is my finishing look. Okay, so running late in the morning, You can just grab 3 fruits or any amount you have, make a smoothie, and you're gone. Okay, so this is my smoothie for today. Okay. Rich and nice. I'm telling you, rich and nice. Guys, remember to like. Give me a thumbs up, man. Okay, share the video. Alright, bye from now, and I see you next time.